This is Paul Capps. We're at the Band House Music Store in Texarkana, Texas today, and we're looking at a Yamaha PSR E273 keyboard, mainly from the idea of making some sound effects and maybe some music for YouTube creator in your videos. This board with the stand is under $200. And it does some great sound effects. You can create music very easily. It has built-in rhythms. We're going to play it a little bit and let you see. It has built-in drum tracks, different instrumentation that you can play on it, but just to create some background, if you did no more than just press the key and then we're going to hit the next key. And the next key, and the next key, we're going to do every other key. Volume control, turn it down very low. And we're going to pull the volume up. Now we're going to look at some of the sound effects built in to the Yamaha PSR E273. Just simple sound effects that YouTube creators can use in their videos. We're going to press the SFX kit button. That switches it off the keyboard to the various sound effects. And let's go over here. We've got a railroad crossing. And then a train. Back to the railroad crossing. Train whistle. And now we'll add the train. There, he's getting closer. Just going to run through some of the effects here. Just some of the sounds on the Yamaha PSR E273. This is Paul Capps for the Capps Time channel. Y'all have a great week.